tap takes a day to fill up a 2-meter cube. What is a 2-meter cube? So for those who have not learned volume, right? Okay, a 2-meter cube is a 3-dimensional square. This. Okay, so just draw a square, then draw this, and draw this. Okay, all sides are equal. This is 2 meters, 2 meters, and this one is 2 meters. This is called a 2-meter cube. So parents who are watching this, right, it will always be very good for you all to learn how to draw a cube, especially when you're trying to teach your child. Always draw a square face first, followed by the sides, okay, and draw the top, and you'll be able to get a cube. Okay, so anyway, a tap takes a day to fill up a 2-meter cube. Now, they say, how long does it take 3 taps to fill up a 6-meter cube when they are turned on at the same time, assuming that the rate of flow for the 3 taps is the same? For a 6-meter cube, right, is something maybe like this. Okay, so 6 meters, 6 meters, 6 meters. We have to figure out how many 2-meter cubes can we throw inside this 6-meter cube. Okay, so I can presume I can put 1, 2, 3, okay, at the side. So which means that this one, 6 meters divided by 2 meters, I'll be able to get 3. Then over here it'll be 3, it'll be 1, 2, and 3. So I can put 3 over here. So again it'll be 6 meters divided by 2 meters to give me 3. And here also it'll be 1, 2, and 3. So same thing, which means how many 2 meters cube can I put inside? I can put 3 times 3 times 3, and that will give us 27. I can put 27 2 meters cube in a 6-meter cube. Okay, remember, 27 of these can fit inside here. So when they say that how long does it take 3 taps to fill up a 6-meter cube, it is as good as saying how long does it take 3 taps to fill up 27 sets of 2-meter cube. To convert from a 6-meter cube to a number of 2-meter cube is the reason why I'm drawing this one for you. And I'm teaching you, go a side-by-side comparison, and then you'll be able to find the answer. Okay, so they said that a tap will take 1 day to fill up a 2-meter cube. How about for 1 day, there are 3 taps. So for 1 day, 1 tap can fill up 1 2-meter cube. 3 taps will obviously be able to fill up 3 2-meter cube. Now I want 27 sets of 2-meter cube. How many days do I need? If 3 taps can fill up 3 sets of 2-meter cube, if I have 27 sets, okay, I take 27 divided by 3 to give me 9. I need 9 days. Okay, so 3 taps, we can fill up 3 2-meter cubes in 1 day. If I have 27 2-meter cube, I take 27 divided by 3, I'll be able to have 9 days. I need 9 days for 3 taps to fill up 27 2-meter cubes. This again will be what we call a logic sequence. Okay, and this will be your cube drawing. Alright, done.